Hello, 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 hello. Tayo, tayo. Okay. Natatawa. So, yun tayo dito.
Kailangan,
Alright. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. And as you can see, our episode to, sixth episode of our season 2, Putik Yan. If you can see, we are doing the shoot here at our Tagaytay studio. And we have a special guest with me. Super special po nito kasi yung katabi ko po, ang kakolaborate ko ay ang aking bunsong kapatid. Ang aking sister, si Alpha. So, so siya po or sila ng family niya ang Anya Happy Trails. So we'll talk about more of Anya Happy Trails. Ano yung Anya Happy Trails? And for our sixth destination for our Pottery Caravan po 2026, we'll be going to Cavinti, Laguna. So, ano po itong event na pupuntahan namin para i-share sa inyo yung pottery awareness as part of our initiatives, programs and initiatives of Kabahagi PH. So if you could see po from our reels and social media, we intentionally po separated the Kabahagi PH, which is the program and initiatives of AMT Ceramics. So para dito, kumbaga mas ibigay natin yung talagang intention natin, bakit ginagawa ng Kabahagi PH yung initiatives na yun. Ano yung objective niya? Bakit natin kailangan, bakit namin ginagawa yung Pottery Caravan, which is part po of programs and initiatives, same as this Putik Yan. So, ang Putik Yan po na podcast natin or Pottery podcast is part of Kabahagi. Isa siya po sa mga programs and initiatives ng AMT Ceramics. So, ayun. Nabubulol ako. Mga madawi-dawi tayo. Pag-uusapan dito,
yeah.
sister. So, ayun. Ano po ba yung i-expect natin for this episode? So, meron po tayong segments na gagawin natin with this sixth episode of Putik Yan, Season 2. Medyo mahaba-haba po itong discussion natin. You'll learn more about Anya Happy Trails, what is Banayad, or ano yung Banayad Festival, kung saan natin siya gagawin sa the Hamptons, right? So we'll discuss more of these later on as we go through our conversations ng sister ko. Chikahan namin, of course, paano na po yung Pottery Caravan na collaboration natin, right?
Yep.
Tapos, syempre magsishare din kami ba't kami mahilig sa ganito. More of that sa community kasi siya, di ba, sister?
Yes.
So, ayun, we'll discuss more as well yung anong gagawin namin sa Banayad Festival 2026 sa The Hamptons at ano yung gagawin namin with my sister ng Anya Happy Trails doon sa overland na experience, right? Ano din yung overland, di ba? Parang
Yep,
kasi
yep.
tatanungin natin, ano yun? Anong klaseng activity to? So, something like that. So, for now, we'll be doing, or we'll be talking about these details on our second segment. But before we proceed that, magpakilala muna tayo. Formally, magpakilala tayo. So, I am AM Trajeco.
And I'm Alpha Trajeco Tolentino.
And welcome to Putik Yan. Okay, one more. Okay, I am AM Trajeco. I love. Siyempre. So, ayan. Alright, so, again, magpakilala po kami. Formally introduce to you my partner for this episode. I am AM Trajeco.
I'm Alpha Trajeco Tolentino.
And welcome to Putik Yan. Okay, alright. Pinakabahan ako dito kasi welcome back to Putik Yan. This is the first time that I'll be working with my sister. So, oh my
Yep.
God. Oh my
Pareho
God,
kami
naiiyak ako. Hindi,
kinakabahan.
pareho kami kinakabahan. This collaboration actually really means so much to me. Hindi pa siya nangyayari. Pero this is the first time that one of my siblings will be joining me in my journey as a potter. So, kaya ito, talagang very special po itong collaboration na 'to, event na 'to. And our event po will fall on my birthday.
Oh,
Hindi
'di
ko siya
ba? Special
ine-expect.
talaga
Actually,
siya.
hindi ko siya ine-expect. Kasi
Hmm,
when we were doing this collaboration, or we were just planning about it since last year, kung maaalala niyo po, when we launched the Kabahagi PH last year on our 4th anniversary, ang Pottery Caravan po talaga nakasama na ang Anya Happy Trails as part of our destinations. Definitely, na-pinpoint na po kasi namin siya na it will happen end of summer, di ba? But since
yes, yes.
na-extend siya and we are looking for talagang event that will suit for what we do as siblings, nag-land siya ng June. And surprisingly, hindi namin alam yung dates. Di ba?
Yeah,
Sabi
nung
niya, Kuya,
in-announce, birthday niya.
birthday ko. So it's
Birthday ni Kuya.
26, 27, and 28. So yes po, I'll be working on my birthday, but um it's yeah, I can say that it's a very special day for me kasi ang makakatrabaho ko rin is kapatid ko. So kasama ko siya dun sa celebration na yan.
Yes.
So it's not just an event, so it's
Mm.
also a celebration of life.
Yep,
So
yes.
ayun, hindi ka lang sabihin ko. Alright, so let's talk about um bakit tayo napunta sa ganito? No, sister?
Kasi 'di ba, since bata pa tayo, palagi tayong sinasama ni Papa outdoors.
Yes, yes.
So, mahilig tayo talagang lumabas,
Mm.
gumala, pero
Yes.
sa nature.
Yes.
Palagi.
Bakit? Actually po, probinsyano po lahat kami. So, we are not really from Metro Manila.
Yeah.
So, kami po ay Mindoreños. We came
Yes.
from Mindoro.
We grew up in Mindoro.
We grew up in Mindoro. So po, ang aming talagang environment is
We have the nature. So, merong ilog, dagat, bundok.
yes.
Yan po yung mga places na ini-enjoy namin nung bata kami. So,
And yeah.
nung lumalaki na kami, syempre marami na kaming nakikilala. Tas along the way, nagkakaroon tayo ng interest more on the activities outdoors. So, yung mga kaibigan ko, yan, nag-hiking kami, nag-camping kami, rock
Bike.
camping,
Yeah,
biking,
bike. Yeah.
yan. So, mga outdoor activities talaga. So, yun yung kinalakihan.
Kinalakihan na. Kasi po,
Kinalakihan.
ang aming parents at saka yung mga aming lolo-lolohan ay mga magsasaka. Magsasaka
Yeah.
at mangingisda. So, merong bukid. Nakikita namin kung paano mag-harvest, paano magtanim. So, kung mapapansin niyo po, bakit kami, magkakapatid, or even my sister, are enjoying certain community that we love. So, if you
Yep.
consider, if you could see the Anya Happy Trails, yung palang pinapalibutan nila is a community din. And what I'm doing as well as a potter is also a community. Pag binabalikan ko, because why we are, nai-inline sa ganitong klaseng komunidad, pwede ko lang masabi, maybe because that's how we were, raised.
Raised or we grew up.
Oo,
How we grew up. Yeah,
Tsaka
yeah.
parang,
Or exposed.
oo,
We're
dun tayo
exposed
na-expose eh.
to that
Parang,
environment. Yep,
isang
yep.
community na nagtutulungan
Yes,
na,
yes, yes.
yeah, di ba? Kaya parang siguro ganito tayo mag-approach sa life. Ngayong medyo, of course, nagkakaedad na rin naman tayo at nagbe-build na rin tayo ng sarili nating pamumuhay or klase ng pamumuhay. So, yung Anya Happy Trails po, kung mapag-uusapan kasi natin siya, ano yung connect ng Anya Happy Trails dun sa gagawin namin na Pottery Caravan? Ako kasi, pagkakaintindi ko or how I see it, ang pottery po kasi it's a lifestyle for me. Hindi ko siya tinitreat as work. So, kumbaga,
Yeah, yeah.
partly, yes, pero kasi masaya ako dito sa ginagawa ko. I treat this as my lifestyle. You have to choose it. I choose it to be my, way of living.
Yep, yep.
So, Anya Happy Trails will be happy to share to you as well what kind of lifestyle yung pinapromote niya. No?
Yeah.
So, ayun. Pero before
Mhm.
we do that, so, ano nga yung last nating chikahan? So, ayun. Lumaki po kasi kami sa ganon. sa probinsya.
Opo,
Tapos dito na
opo,
naman kami
opo.
nag-aral kasi ng high
High
school.
school.
High
High school.
school,
So, buong
yeah.
elementary days namin nasa probinsya kami.
Mm-mm.
Kaya, laking probinsya kami.
Laking probinsya po kami.
Mm.
And we really love to thank the people that, naging part of our, journey, childhood,
Yep.
tsaka ipaglaki
Yeah.
namin until maka-transfer kami dito sa Manila.
Yes, yes.
We go home pa rin naman once in a while.
Bakasyon.
Bakasyon.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. So, ayun. Ang naalala ko nun, ano yung naaalala mo kapag i-relate natin dun sa camping? Ano yung naaalala mo na ginagawa natin nung
Ako
kabataan?
ang palaging nagpe-play sa utak ko dun sa ilog.
Mm.
Na muntikan na akong madamay. Kaming dalawa nung isa kong brother.
Oo.
Yeah, si Kuya Michael. So kaming magkakapatid, palagi kaming kasama ni Papa kapag
Hi, bro.
Hi, Kuya. Yan. So pag weekend, siyempre walang trabaho, walang school. So yun lang yung time na magbo-bond kami.
Yes.
Kasi syempre, ang mga parents namin nagtatrabaho, weekdays. Kami nasa school din.
Their work is in
Yeah.
professionals kasi sila mama at papa.
Yes. So, ang
yeah.
time lang talaga nila for us na mas mahaba ay pag weekend.
Mm-mm.
So, better na we go outside. Yan. So,
Mm-mm.
pumunta kami dun sa ilog.
Mm-mm.
Sobrang natutuwa kami kasi sobrang linis ng tubig. As in,
Doon kasi tayo
nag-i-enjoy.
doon kami po natutong maglangoy. Kasi si Papa yun. Si
palagi.
Papa kasi yung
Oo.
nagtitrain sa amin. Para kasi siyang tinuturuan niya kami how to survive.
And life hacks. Yes.
Life hacks. Kaya
How to
parang,
survive, how to
yeah.
to be independent, to how to live in the wild. Yan yung mga ganyan. So,
Kaya,
palaging nasa labas.
sakto tong camping,
Yes.
collaboration namin. Kumbaga, binabalik kami dun sa time na how did we experience life outside. Diba?
Yes. Yung, ako kasi masasabi ko sobrang saya nung childhood namin.
Yeah. Hindi kasi kapag
Yes.
kapag may nakakakwentuhan ako na iba na mga dito sa Manila, parang natutuwa ako na every time that we share our life in the province, parang I don't wanna say that it's always happy, pero ano siya parang kumbaga simple siya.
Simple yet something
Liberating.
unique.
Unique, different,
Yes.
liberating, freeing actually, and discovery, self-discovery.
Yes.
Yun siya. Ang naalala ko sa sister ko, Twinkle kasi yung tawag ko sa kanya. Alam mo kung bakit siya Twinkle? Kasi nung bata siya, liit-liit niya, parang siyang star. So, naging-twinkle siya. So, kaya naging twinkle siya. Ang layo sa alpha, di ba? So, ayun. Yung pagkakaalala ko, ang isa sa mga siguro core memory ko na hindi ko makakalimutan kay Twinkle, she's always connected to fire.
Yeah.
She's always connected to fire.
Kaya siguro palagi ako nasa ng campfire. Campfire.
So talaga rin. Kasi ang naalala ko nun, nagpa-bike kami.
Sa likod ng bahay namin.
Ang likod ng bahay kasi namin is rice field. So, rice field, ito yung doon.
Kasi kaka-harvest lang dun eh. So, syempre, pile of the anong tawag dun? Yung sa palay.
Hindi talahib. Rice.
Dayami.
So,
yeah. So, tuyo-tuyo yun.
Naglalaro kasi kami sa likod bahay namin. Tapos, may bike kasi kami. So, very adventurous kami magkakapatid. Tapos, sige nga, gawin
Syempre,
natin.
nag-explore. Yan.
Ang gagawin natin,
Curious.
sisindihan natin siya. Tapos, dadaanan natin ang bike
Yeah. Para patayin yung
para
apoy.
patayin yung apoy.
Ay, okay. Parang circus, kunyari,
Ang
ganyan.
crazy nila. Parang gano'n. Gano'n kami magkakapatid maglaro. So, naglalaro kami.
So, sa labas,
Nag-enjoy tatlo
yes,
lang
yes.
no?
Yeah,
Yung tatlo
yeah.
ni Michael. Si ate po kasi is nasa Manila na. Ahead kasi si
She's
ate for
ahead of
about
us.
4 years.
Mhm.
She's already studying dito sa Manila. So,
Yeah.
kami yung halos magkakasama na naiwan sa
Sa
Mindanao.
province, yes.
Tapos yun na nga. Luckily talaga.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, hindi namin siya mapatay. Tapos, kumalat siya.
Sobrang laki. Siguro
Oo.
mga
Parang
ilang
forest fire. Parang
hektarya.
ganon.
Parang forest fire. Ilang hektarya. Tapos muntikan na yung isang
Kubo. Parang,
hindi yung chicken
oo, parang
poultry.
may poultry
Yung may
kasi
poultry.
doon.
Tapos tito namin yung may-ari nun. Buti hindi siya
Buti
nagalit
wala.
or what. Pero umabot dun sa kanila. Sobrang
Yung
laki.
mga kalokohan natin ng
Oo,
bata.
mga ilang hektarya yung nasunog namin.
Hindi. Pero naman, wala naman
Walang
nasaktan. Kasi,
Pati yung sa poultry, wala namang nasunog doon or what
na pets. Na pets ka. Na ano.
Wala
Ang
nang
tawag
bintana
doon,
doon.
Hubbard chicken kasi yun eh.
Oo,
Oo,
yes,
yung
yes.
chicken na binibenta
So,
for
na-stop
food.
naman doon sa place nila.
At saka parang bayanihan din naman kasi doon. Tapos
Yes, yes.
tulong-tulong
Kasi,
to put out
syempre, mga
the
bata
fire.
pa kami. So, hindi namin alam
Oo,
papatayin yung apoy. Tapos, in fact, nasa harap pa kami ng
DNR. Forestry.
Syempre, diba?
Sabi ko, oh my God.
So, syempre, kami, hindi namin alam yung mga ganon.
Pero,
nag-sorry naman kami. Yeah.
It
So,
was,
hindi, aksidente siya, hindi sinasadya.
Ah.
It's just that kids are very curious.
Yeah,
Ganyan. So,
So,
diba?
yan yung mga learnings natin.
Yes,
So, wag
yes.
pong maglaro ng apoy. So, yun ang...
Putik lang po ang
putik
laruin
lang.
nyo. And speaking of putik,
Pero kasi may firing kami. Pero hindi namin nilalaro yung firing.
yes.
Professionally done.
Yes.
Since we have training.
Pati, speaking of putik, every time na umuulan,
Naglalaro
kami sa putik
putikan
talaga. As in,
So, sabi ko,
yeah.
sabi ko, it's maybe darating yung time na may explore ko yung putikan ng Mindoro. It's just that as of the moment, this is what we are doing to raise awareness, pottery awareness.
Yes.
But eventually, naniniwala ako na darating yung pagkakataon na magkakaroon po talaga tayo ng industry na will be proud to say that we have this kind of clay that we can use in this kind of pottery, ha. Kung mababalikan niyo po yung ibang episodes namin, what we are doing is the stoneware type of clay. So, ito po is medyo mahirap ma-source as of the moment here in the Philippines, and we get these clays outside of the country.
Yeah.
So, ini-import po yun. That is one of the reasons why I am very active in pagsulong ng pottery awareness para po dumami tayo, magkaroon ng demand. And in that way, at naniniwala po ko, in few years time, magkakaroon talaga ng industry to cater that kind of material, raw material, that we can easily be accessed and we can be proud to say, this is the clay that I'm using from the Philippines.
Yes.
So, yun po ang isa sa mga goals why I do this or we do this, our team do this. So, ayun. So, okay muna tayo dito, sister. Baka kung mapunta sa kung anong revelation wala dito. So, ayun po. Mahilig po kami sa ganyan, outdoors. Lahat kami magkakapatid. It's very adventurous. If you could go back as well to our reels or even my personal reels, mahilig kami sa carpentry.
Yep.
Yeah, ako mahilig ako sa carpentry. Talagang we do something out from...
Yeah, even sa mga lolo namin, mahilig sila gumawa.
Ang mga ninuno po namin is talagang craftsman.
Yep.
They're craftsman, fishermen, farmers. So yun po yung aming lineage. na yeah,
Yes,
we
yes.
are actually happy that
Into
we are yeah,
into
and
arts and
arts
music.
and music.
Yan
So
po.
that's why we are very lucky
Yes,
that
yes.
we are given this kind of opportunity or even platform to share it with you, right?
Yes,
Ayun.
yes.
Yeah, ang sister ko po ay actually saxophonist.
Yes
Saxophonist
po.
po si Alpha. Yeah, for now, she's focusing on building her family. Yan.
Yes.
So, ayun. Balikan niyo rin po yung ibang mga, pwede niyo pong i-research yung kanyang ibang Instagram at Facebook page, right?
Yes,
Sa
yes.
music.
Facebook and
She's the
YouTube.
lady saxophonist.
Yeah.
Tapos, meron pang ibang, meron kayong YouTube na ano, di ba? Na maintain.
Yes, yes.
Then as of the moment, you're
Mhm.
actively doing the Anya Happy Trails,
The
right?
Anya Happy
The
Trails.
lifestyle
Yes,
camping.
yes.
So, ayun. So, for now, we'll take a break po muna. Since, ayun, nakilala niyo na po kung ano yung dynamic tayo magkapatid. Si Twinkle po kasi, Twinkle yung tawag ko sa kanya since talagang bunso ko siyang kapatid. Sa amin po kasi magkakapatid, si Twinkle ang medyo mas close ako.
Mhm.
Mas
Yan.
close ako kay si Kate Twinkle. Yung brother po namin kasi, yung isa, ako po ay pangalawa. Then, yung brother namin is nasa ibang bansa. And
Tas
my
ako po
eldest
ang
sister din naman is,
yeah.
nandito rin po sa
Sa
Manila
QC.
din. We regularly see each other.
Yeah, yeah.
So, ayun. Yeah. Ano ba?
Alright.
Nagchichika na po. So, ayun. So, we'll take a break po muna, then we'll get back to you what is
Yes.
happening at Banayad Festival 2026 at the Hamptons sa Caliraya. This is in our South Luzon stop, 6th stop of Pottery Caravan 2026. And we'll be happy as well to give you some details of this event and also what are the local brand partners of Pottery Caravan that will be bringing to the event.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
okay. So, bye for now. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Medyo malakas yung ano natin. Yung siguro mga ganito.
Ito nakalagay na dito.
Ano kasi siya, pag hindi direct, para siyang ano, nasa kuweba. Saan na punta yung chika natin? 1 month thing. Okay. So, we'll go back to our susunod na segment. Actually, this is parang third segment natin siya. Second, third segment. Okay. Ang dami namin chika kanina about our childhood.
Yeah.
So,
Kasi
we
it's
had a
fun.
break. Kailangan magpatulog ng baby. Kailangan mo na
Si
magpatulog ng
Anya
baby.
ay kailangan
Yeah.
mo na
So,
matulog.
ayun na nga.
Take a nap.
Since natulog si Anya, pag-uusapan natin, what is Anya Happy Trails?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, yes.
So, before we proceed, okay, pakilala ulit saglit. Baka kasi haba na ng chika natin, hindi nila tayo kilala. Okay, my name is A.M. Trajeco.
I'm Alpha Trajeco Tolentino.
And welcome back to Putik Yan. Okay, so, ayun. Pero, before tayo mag-proceed, what is Anya Happy Trails? Who is Anya? Right? So, babanggitin ko po muna ang ating mga local brand partners for our Pottery Caravan 2026. And these local brands, ito rin po ang makikita nyo, ang makakasama namin sa ating pottery booth sa Banayad Festival. So,
Yes.
if you could see po, yung damit ko, this is Milkware. Yeah. Tapos,
Ganda, no?
ay, by the way, shout out to Adela. Oh, bagay na bagay sa akin yung
Nice.
ginawa mo na ceramic necklace. Happy birthday. I'll see you soon. So, ayun. Ano po ba yung local brand partners natin? Milkware. Ang Milkware po ay part of the Pottery Caravan. Will be giving out some of, Milkware products and vouchers.
Wow.
So, watch out po on our Banayad Festival.
Yes.
booth.
Mukhang marami tayong papamigay sa Banayad Festival.
Aha.
Yeah.
Tapos, meron po tayong time slot dyan sa stage.
Yes.
on the show itself or on the event itself on the
Mm.
27th. So we
Yeah.
have about 30 minutes airtime on our stage. So we'll be introducing and discussing with you what is pottery, or we'll be having a
Yes,
pottery
yes.
workshop din po doon. Tsaka we'll have a booth there. We'll have
Yes,
a
may
booth.
booth
So
din.
meron po tayong full pottery setup. We have what do you call this? Local brand partners pop-ups
Mhm.
and clearance sale. Clearance sale, so
Yes,
ceramic
yes.
sale. I mean, ceramic sale coming from AM team at saka yung mga friends po natin na potters. So we'll be bringing some ceramic pieces that you can buy.
Yeah,
And
and
yeah.
magandang collection po 'to. Actually,
Yeah.
hindi dahil kapatid ko si AMT Ceramics, pero sobra talaga na-inlove ako sa mga pieces kaya ang dami ko ng collection sa bahay.
Yes, yes,
Ako yung
yes.
number one fan nila.
Grabe yung mga
Yes.
pieces ko pa from Japan.
Yes,
Bumibili
yes,
talaga yung
yes.
kapatid ko when I was doing my apprenticeship in Japan. So if you would if hindi nyo pa siguro, hindi ko siguro na sasabi sa kanila na ANT Ceramics po, my techniques or my pottery techniques are traditional Japanese ceramics. So I learned my pottery and what I am currently practicing are traditional Japanese ceramics. So I had my training, my apprenticeship po for 2 years in Japan. So I lived in Japan sa Kanayama Pottery po or Kanayama Yaki. So if you'll be visiting Japan, you can go to Aomori and you can visit Kanayama Yaki. Tsugaru Kanayama Yaki. So ayun, local brand partner. So yeah, milkware. So watch out for it. Meron din po tayong mga voucher and gift certificates that will be, giving out as part of freebies. Tapos we have po Zadi. Yung Zadi po natin is naka-categorize po ito to our skincare. So ito po is pampaputi. We have or they have the scrub, exfoliating scrub, at saka yung lotion. Pampaputi po siya ng mga dark spots natin. Ano po ito, parang, kumbaga, it's being marketed for yung mga dark underarms, yung mga sa elbows natin. Kung
Basta
gusto niyo
mga dark spots
Oo.
natin.
So, yung gusto mo mag-bikini, tapos gusto mo medyo maputi yung singit-singit, yan. Perfect po
Yeah.
ang Zadi. So, what else? We have the Jacob's Well Chai. So, we'll be bringing some of the products of Jacob's Well Chai po to our Banayad Festival, doon sa Pottery Caravan natin. So, this is a premium chai po. So, we have also freebies of Jacob's Well Chai that will be included in your pottery kits if you will joining some of our workshops there. And then you can also buy some of the products of Jacob's Well since Jacob's Well po ay also part of the AMT Cafe. So we
Yep.
serve this to our studio sa Quezon City po, the AMT Ceramics studio sa Quezon City.
Yeah,
Then,
it's a must try.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay
it's a
siya.
must try.
At saka ano po to wala siya masyadong sugar. So,
Oh,
yung sweetness
okay
niya po
to.
is talagang from natural fruit.
Mm-mm.
Then we have the Gacha Butcha. Lagi siyang ubos po. The Gacha Butcha po is a kombucha. So we don't have kasi as of the moment, kasi yun nga, lagi siyang nauubos po when we replenish it to our studio sa Tandansora. So, you'll be experiencing and tasting some of these local brand partners po natin at Banayad Festival.
Yes,
So, ayun.
exciting.
Yeah, exciting. So, ayun. Ang dami ko, chika. So, ayun na nga. So, sister, what is Anya Happy Trails? Who is Anya Happy Trails? Why did you come up with this maybe name?
Yeah. Kanina, 'di ba, napag-usapan na natin na
Mm-mm.
into outdoors kami. So, when Anya came,
Mm-mm.
si Anya po ang aming daughter. Siya po ang aming little Colette. Yan,
Siya
si
po ang
Anya.
aking unang pamangkin na
Na
babae. I have two
babae.
pamangkins pa na lalaki from my younger brother.
Yes, yes.
So, hi Migo at saka Adi.
Adi. Yeah. Migo and Adi.
Si Migo
So,
at
si
Adi.
Anya ang unang babaeng apo. Yan,
Yeah.
nila mama, papa. Yan.
Yes.
So, naisip namin, gusto naming i-expose si Anya sa outdoors. Kasi yun yung kinalakihan namin eh. Kaming mag-asawa, kahit yung si daddy, lumaki rin siya na nasa outdoors. So, nagka-camp din siya, nag-fishing, together with his dad. So, sanay talaga na nasa labas. So, kaming dalawa, nag-jive. So, sabi namin, mas maganda kung i-expose namin si Anya sa outdoors, sa nature,
Go lang ha. Sige.
and yung, yung, sabi nga nila, para tumaas yung immune system,
Oo,
di ba?
yan.
Expose mo.
Exposure talaga sa
Expose mo sa nature, sa lahat ng mga, yung mga dirts and something. So, yun, in-enjoy lang naman namin na
Kumbaga,
nasa
it's a way
labas.
of, it's a progressive way of learning.
Yes,
for
yes.
kids.
And at the same time, kasi magiging curious yan eh. So, better yet, expose na namin siya dun sa mga alam namin, na na-experience na namin, so that we could guide her.
Okay.
So, kaya naging Anya Happy Trails kasi ever since baby siya, palagi siyang happy. And pag may na-discover siya, sobra siyang happy, she's so proud, and of course, kami mga parents
Kaya
din,
Anya happy.
kanya happy. Tapos,
Okay.
trails kasi,
That's what you do. Sa,
we travel.
Which you travel.
We travel a lot. So, lahat ng mga trails, nire-record namin. Yan.
Okay.
So, that's why we have the page. So,
follow
Anya
nyo po
Happy
yung
Trails.
page na
Anya
Anya Happy
Happy
Trails.
Trails.
So, more of nasa
Yes.
lifestyle to. Tapos,
Mm-mm.
I've experienced kasi, my sister actually introduced to me this kind of camping. Glamping siya, na
Yes.
not really glamping eh. Parang, yung una kasing, unang generation.
Pero kasi
how we-
before kasi,
iba kasi yung glamping before eh.
Oo.
Parang talagang,
actually kami, nag-rock camping kami talaga kami
Pero
mag-asawa before.
Oo.
As in before, beach tents lang,
Oo, ganun.
yung kung ano lang yung mahila sa bahay na minsan tarpaulin lang, wala kaming tent. As in ganun. Tapos, kung kunyari sa dagat, beach camping kami, di ba? Kung sino lang yung dumaan na mangingisda, yun na lang yung binibili namin pagkain. So, yung magiging
So,
pagkain
parang
namin.
camping talaga.
Camping talaga siya. And then, syempre,
Nag-evolve na kasi ngayon.
oh,
yung
nag-evolve
camping.
na. Kasi naman yung mga CR, mga
Nag-evolve
ganon.
na po ngayon. Kaya, ito is the perfect way for us to, give them
Yes.
awareness as well that this is already somewhat accessible na rin.
Yes,
Meron na
accessible
pong
na.
community. Ang laki na rin ng community nila.
Mm-mm.
And Banayad Festival, Banayad Adventures is one of
It's
them.
one of the biggest events in camping
For
community.
camping.
And kasi since kami ay camping and overlanding yung lifestyle namin, so sa community na to, sobrang nakakatuwa kasi sa Banayad Fest, makikita mo talaga yung iba't ibang klaseng campers. At kung ano yung mga setup nila, and makikita mo kung ano yung mga ginagamit nila. Gears, mga ganyan. Diba? And may mga
Nakakatawa.
tips na paano kapag nasa wilderness na kayo. Mga ganon. So, that is part of the camping and overlanding lifestyle. Kaya,
So-
yun yung nakakatuwa.
Yep. So, this is actually a perfect way for you to,
Experience
it.
Yes.
Ang registration po is still running, right?
Running pa naman siya.
For
Yes,
the ones
yes.
who want to,
To join.
I think yung sa concessionaire kasi is stop na, right? Parang, or meron ba? Not that sure. Pero
Not sure,
you can
yes.
check naman
You
the
could
Banayad
still,
Festival or
join
Banayad
as
Adventures
participant.
oo.
Yeah.
Facebook page para at
Yep.
least malaman. Pero as of the moment, I think open pa siya eh. Kasi I also
Open pa for
request
participants. Yes.
So you can still join. So, ito po, madami rin siguro kayong mamimit dito kasi
Yes.
nasa 100 na yata from
Oo.
last time we checked.
100 rigs na.
Registrations. Oo.
Rigs yan So,
Oo.
ibig sabihin, it's more than 100
Oo.
packs.
So, para
Yeah.
po tong kumbaga music festival.
Yeah, parang
Pero
music festival.
camping.
Yes.
So, masaya siya. Oh my God.
Yeah, makikita niyo talaga yung mga gears, yan. May iba, syempre, simple setup, o kaya naman minsan, as glampers, yan, glamping talaga na maganda yung setup, with all the lightings, And especially, yung mga equipments and gears. Yan.
Mm-mm.
Kaming Anya Happy Trails,
Mm.
since we have AMT, yun
Mm-mm.
yung i-showcase din namin. Kasi,
Mm-mm.
sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba, ako ay isa sa mga collectors ng
Mm.
AMT ceramic pieces.
Perfect to na
Perfect siya. Perfect
gagawin
siya
namin
for...
together ng sister ko. So,
Yes.
natutuwa ako kasi magsa-set up kami ng yung camping
Yes,
setup
camping
nila.
setup.
Tapos, i-integrate namin how we can use the pottery
Yes.
pieces or ceramics in camping.
Yes.
So,
yes.
kaya parang this is very new to us.
Yep.
And I think this is the first time din na ang pottery.
Ang Banayad Festival.
Oo, first din namin.
Yes. Ngayon yung first na may pottery sa Banayad
Festival. And
Yes.
first time din, I think, nalalabas ang AMT Ceramics in this kind of setup. Kasi may mga
Yes.
off-site setup po kami or off-site workshop, part of the pottery caravan. So this is actually new. So, before we proceed, sister, I want to have some revisit of where
Yeah.
we had our pottery caravan destinations. So, ngayon po, nasa South Luzon na tayo. So, our first po is sa Metro Manila. Dalawa po to sa Metro Manila, which is in Makati at saka sa Quezon City. So, our first po na cafe partner namin dito, establishment, is the Greyhound Cafe sa Ayala Triangle. So, our second destination is in Quezon City, which is the Sage Garden. And then, our third po, Sage Garden is tea house po to ha. Malapit po to sa Congressional Avenue, so you can visit there. Our Greyhound Cafe po, madami po to sa Metro Manila, meron din sila sa Baguio. So, you can try those cafes and masasarap yung food nila at saka iba rin yung experience. So, our third po naman is we already moved to our Central Luzon. So, that's in Potteries. Potteries naman po ay pottery studio. So, ito
located
is in this is in Pampanga.
Yeah.
In Pampanga. And then, we moved to our Olonga po naman destination, which is in the Pauline's Cafe. Tapos, on our fifth destination po, on our North Luzon naman, is La Union, sa Boho Surf Hostel. So, we would like to thank as well Boho Surf Hostel in accommodating us dun sa ating Pottery Caravan fifth destination. And you can visit these ating cafe, studio, pottery studio, and even the hostel. Boho po is Boho Surf Hostel. So, kung dadaan kayo ng La Union, you can also visit Boho Surf Hostel, or you can consider as well, having your accommodation there.
Yes.
So, thank you, Jim, as well, for accommodating us for this, for that event. So, ito po, sa South Luzon, ito po ang pinakamalaki nating event ng Pottery Caravan.
Kaya excited.
Yeah, excited din ako.
Kami.
Parang, as we planned it, ito yung last stop sa mainland ng Luzon, because we'll be moving next to Visayas na po. So, meron po tayong mga programs na to help out the Pottery Caravan initiatives. If you would like to, to help out with our funding, how we can proceed for our Visayas and Mindanao, meron po tayong Pottery Caravan cups na makikita nyo na for sale to our booth sa Banayad Fest, and it can be also be bought sa ating pong website at amtceramics.com. So, ayun.
Yes.
Daming chika. Plugging. So, ayun. Ano pa, sister? Mangyayari. So, well, mag-sign up na lang po. Mag-sign up kayo. Pero,
we'll see you there. Kasi maraming exciting.
Actually, ako din, hindi ko din alam yung, well, I have some expectations, of course.
Yes.
Ang ine-expect ko talaga, mag-i-enjoy ako.
Yes. Kasi mag-i-enjoy din sila, yung participants. Kasi it is a must try. Kasi nga, di ba, unang pottery, yung
Oo.
pottery na mismo yung pumunta doon
Pumunta
sa
doon
event.
sa event.
'Di ba? Kasi usually,
Oo.
participants yung
Mm.
pupunta sa studio.
Mm.
So, they really have to look
Oo.
for it and something like that. Ngayon, pottery na yung lalapit sa
So
inyo.
that
So,
is something that you
itatry
need
nyo
to look forward.
something to look forward
Mm.
and something exciting
Yes,
talaga.
yes.
Yeah.
Na-excite din ako kasi parang,
Parang
oh my
kakaiba
God,
naman siya, di ba?
ano yung mangyayari doon sa Banayad Fest. Pero pag nakikita ko, oh my God, ang daming tao nito.
Yes.
Parang ang saya-saya. Tapos,
Pati
ibang community.
Yes,
It's
yes,
different
yeah.
from ours.
Oo, pati syempre may mga ceramic pieces doon na I'm sure na matutuwa sila. And syempre mga giveaways yan, marami tayong naka-prepare for the participants.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ayun po ulit. I think we need to end it here na.
Yes.
Ayun.
I think so.
So, sister, thank you so much for
Thank you din.
for helping me out as well with this pottery caravan and making this possible na mangyari siya na magkasama tayo in one event sa Banayad Festival. Thank you as well,
Yes.
Banayad Adventures, Banayad Festival 2026, and the Hamptons.
Yes.
Na, alam mo yun, na masishare namin itong pottery world sa inyong event.
Yes.
And we really appreciate it. And we are really looking forward to meet you guys there. So,
Yeah.
ayun.
Kaya
So,
we'll see you there. On
okay.
June 26, 27, 28.
Ayun, meron pa ako nakalimutan. Okay. Yun dun po sa mga pupunta na participants doon sa ating Banayad Fest, meron din po tayong sign up through our website. So,
Yes.
meron po nakalagay doon na details, what you're gonna expect doon sa workshop na pwede nyong attendan during that time. We have naman po time slots doon sa aming booth po. And of course, our team will be happy to assist you and to help you out to experience pottery as well. So,
Yes,
it's a
yes.
full setup po ha, together with our local brand partners ng Pottery Caravan. Okay?
Yes.
So, again, thank you, Milkware. Thank you, Gatcha Butcha, Jacob Swelchai, Zari. At saka doon sa iba pa nating local brand partners that we are carrying until now.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
ayun,
Thank you.
Thank you. So, ayun. So, let's end it here now,
All right.
sister.
Yeah,
Oh
we'll
my
just see you
God.
in the Hamptons.
The Hamptons.
The Hamptons.
Hamptons.
Okay. See you at the Hamptons.
Okay. So, again, oh my God, pahag na, sister. Thank you. So, ayun. Let's wrap this up. Again,
Wait.
ano?
Again, see you sa Banayad Festival. Festival June 26, 27, 28.
Yes.
Okay.
So, again, your host for today and our special guest, my name is Ian Trajeco.
I'm Alpha Trajeco Tolentino.
And thank you for watching. Putik
Yan.
Again.